All right, y'all. I started welding this brace, cross brace in. I got it tacked on both ends. Still got to finish it up. But anyway, I was just going to come on and let y'all know. I started welding it in, and I was going to show y'all this. With the cross brace in here and this cross piece in the frame, it's a little bit hard to clamp this thing. You can see, certain places, I need to pull it down before I weld it. It's got a little gap in it. So what I did is I modified this clamp here. I just added that long bolt, and it allows me, gives me enough room that I can reach around up in here and clamp those gaps out and get everything good and tight and when I weld it. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take this clamp, go along, clamp it, weld it, clamp it, weld it until I get it all in. And when I get finished with that, I'll come back and we'll start on that rear trunk piece back here, put it in. All right, I'm gonna get busy with that. I'll come back in a little while. All right, I got that brace. I got all the spot weld holes welded on it, and I went ahead and ground them down, smooth with the panel here, and put this other panel up here. Got my holes drilled for my spot welds for this trunk panel piece here to attach to the brace. Got this side here, got it up tight, close in the corner, and started spotting it in. And got to do this side, but as I'm spotting it, you can, I don't know if you can see on this side or not, but there's a bit of a turn up there. As I'm spotting it, I'm tapping that little lip down as I go. As I'll spot, I'll tap it down, I'll spot, I'll tap it down, spot, and it leaves me a good fit up in that corner. And I'm hoping after I get it all welded, I can come in there and take maybe a rotary file and just clean that up and take my time and make it look good, make it look smooth. I believe it'll look good, believe it'll look okay. But anyway, I thought I'd come on here before I got all of it welded up and just show y'all what I'm doing. I think what I'll do with these spot weld holes here is I'll wait on those until I get ready to put the tailpan panel on, because this right here determines the height of that tailpan, this down here. And I want to make sure it's in the right place. So I've got to work all this stuff in together and not weld something up and then know that I needed to adjust it or move it around. I guess after I get this done, I'll work on trying to fit these corner pieces here, this dog leg part, getting all that fitted and fitting good on here, and then cut these out, add these on each side, and then tail pan. But anyway, I'm gonna get back busy welding this side over here, and I'll come back. See y'all in a little while. All right, I thought I'd just stop a minute and show y'all what I got. I got this panel welded all in, and I got this side. I went ahead and took the rotary file and went over it and kind of cleaned up the welds. Still probably got a little bit of work to do on it, and there's some little spots where I need to fill it with something. It's not much, but I think it's going to look pretty good. I think it's going to look okay. A couple of good coats of primer and sand might fill in most of that. But anyway, I still got to do this side over here. I started on it, still got to finish it up. So anyway, that's where I'm at on this thing. I'll get this side finished, then I'll come back and we'll get started doing something else. All right, see you in a little while. Okay, y'all, I got this panel here, the trunk panel, fitting about as good as I can get it. Been taking this tail fan here with the trunk shut, trying to adjust it out right and get this fitting in there, you know, the way it's supposed to. This edge right here sits on the edge of this, and this lines it up with these end pieces here. So I've got it pretty close, and if I have to, I can bend this down a little bit, you know, or move it around if I need to. So I think I'm going to go ahead and weld all these spot weld holes here, and then we'll see where we go from there. welded. Little rosette welds. Got welded up pretty nice. They got the trunk fitting pretty good. So I think got this in here all ground down pretty smooth. I'll probably skim something over that, maybe put a couple of good coats of primer on it, sand it, and it might be all right just like it is. But anyway, I'm gonna let that be a video. I'll start on these dog legs, getting all that fitted. We'll do these corner pieces and the tail pan. That'll be the last step. I'll let that be my next video. But if y'all would, leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, how this turned out, and hit that subscribe button. In the meantime, before my next video, I'm going to try to go ahead and start the piece that I'm going to give away, and try to have it ready for the next video too. All right, well, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. We'll see you next time.